What's the meaning of auctioneer? Auctioneer. Auctioneer.
Auctioneer. Auctioneer. An auctioneer is a person who conducts auctions. During an auction, the auctioneer serves as the facilitator of the bidding process. They will start by introducing the item to be sold, setting a starting bid, and then accepting bids from potential buyers until there are no more bids. The auctioneer's key role is to keep the auction moving at a steady pace, ensuring that everyone has a fair chance to bid. At the end of an auction, the auctioneer will declare the item sold to the highest bidder and collect payment.